Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is day 95th out of 365 days for improving and upskilling our English. So, how are you all? I hope you are all doing great and your improvement journey is also going very well. So, let's start our video. You know, today I come across one thing in many aspects what we need in our life, that is self confidence, and it may seem very simple and very normal word, but it has a deep meaning in itself. Okay, so it literally, and it was thinking, and I what I am thinking about this word, that confidence is made, and confidence is absolutely on ourselves. We some people is always doubting themselves and always thinking that we can't do that, how we can do. And it is inculcating in your personality, that it is reflected in every aspect of your life, and you are continuously thinking about that can't do this. And if you are not thinking consciously, you are thinking subconsciously, you are saying that in your present condition, you are saying that why I want able to do this one work. So I'm always positively think that I can do, but this is fitted in your subconscious mind. you know it is fitted in your subconscious mind, and due to this you are suffering a lot. And to skip all this and avoid all this condition, we have to continuously nurture our mind and nourish to the roots of our mind. And what is the root of our mind is the subconscious mind. And when we are nourishing subconscious mind continuously, and there are some particular time when our subconscious mind is so active, and when we are nourishing at that time, our subconscious mind is so powerful and so healthy, so elevated and high skilled mind. Okay, so this is all I want in my life, and today I am realizing very most important thing. I am always a person who feels that manifestation work with us, and when we are working and doing something, the manifestation is helping a lot. Okay, so like self confidence is applied in every aspect. Today I am going to give my examination, and in that examination, what I am thinking, that when we are going to any college or school, we are come across many friends, and in that one condition we have to make a self confident thing, and we have to greet many people. So in this way we have to present our self confidence in front of anyone, and it make our personality so proud and so wonderful, that it is making proud to us only that. And make personality like no one exists before it. Okay, so I'm only working on my personality, and so that I'm also working on my English skills, so that it is reflecting in my personality also. So this is all for today. Stay tuned with your growth and development, and have a nice day. Bye bye.